Can you have a guess which piece I have just added to my collection? I already couldn't wait and unboxed this thing right after I got it. So right now I'm going to show you exactly what's inside this red box over here. Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. I know it's been a hot minute since I unboxed anything from the jewelry world, but I know that I have been thinking about this piece for a while, and with the recent price increases, it's really hard to catch a break. And as you guys know, that I am still trying my best to continue growing my Hermes collection. So I really have to stay focused and kind of, choose between things that I am buying at a time, just so that I am taking it in and enjoying everything, also being able to share something new with you guys. Nonetheless, today's center of attention is going to be focused on this red box over here. As I shared, I haven't added anything new for a while, but this is definitely one of my top wish listed items. I've been really enjoying just opening it up like this. So let me get situated here. I'm not sure if you guys have any guesses, but it is a piece of jewelry that I think it complements my collection really well. And I have been quite a rational person when it comes down to buying jewelry nowadays, because I'm very, very happy with my current stack. And you guys know I've shared my daily holy trinity is that I wear the love bracelet and the clue bracelet, as well as my caviar beads all the time, and I find them to be very easy to wear, and they're very practical. What's in here is what we really care about at this very moment. So let me just open it up, and I'm going to share all the links of all the bracelets that I'm wearing and the info in the description box below. So if you want to add a piece for yourself, you can find the golden caviar beads bracelet on my website, because my team hand makes them by order. So for those of you who own one or many pieces, I know that you guys are enjoying them. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram. So speaking of, let's see who's the newest member of my new jewelry set. Ta-da! It's not really giving me that moment, but it's okay. We can manually make it happen. Ta-da! So here is my brand new Clash de Cartier small bracelet, and it's in rose gold, and the size I chose is size 16 because I have been advised by my SA that this pretty much is it runs in the same size family as your Juste Un Clou, because of the circumference is kind of oval and they're the same shape. So also a tip for you if you're looking to add another bracelet to your collection, either from the Clash de Cartier or the Juste Un Clou, they share the same size. So if you have a size 16 or 17 clue, you would be buying the same size for yourself. And you guys know that I have done a review video on the medium size of the Clash. Unfortunately, at the time, I was committing to it too early. So first of all, the medium size was a little bit too large for me in terms of, the sizing of the bracelet. It was size, I believe, 17 or 18, so it definitely did not sit very well on me. At the same time, that was a medium model. So for the Clash lineup, they make the small and the medium, and this is the structured one. Because when I shared this with one of you guys who were chatting with me on messaging, I believe the question was it the flexible one or is this the structured one? So the smaller size I got is actually a Bangle, so it's definitely the structured one. I have, however, when I was shopping, I did try the soft chain. So that one to me seems a little bit casual. I didn't really go with it at the end because I like my bracelets nice and proper. So I went ahead and chose this one. A little bit more breakdown and details on this bracelet. Currently, the price for this bracelet is $7,650 US. It is the 18 karat rose gold, so obviously you're going to see the AU 750 hallmark kind of embossed on the inside of the bracelet, and the width for size 17 is 6.4 millimeter. And like I shared, the size I had picked out is actually size 16, so it fits perfectly on my wrist. And regarding this collection, I have shared that collection is something that is very modern and also eccentric, because it is not something that is so traditional. It is something that's rather modern, so that's why I felt like I became more appealed to it. And also I have really good friends who have been influencing me on this, so it's definitely very dangerous when you see other people that you are around with a lot wearing the same thing, and then you're just more tempted to kind of go for the same style. I just love how cool and effortless it looks as a statement jewelry. So I was thinking, even before adding this, I could either wear it by itself or, you know, kind of put it in a stack situation and make it look really proper. And I'm going to share with you the way I have been wearing it, because like I said, I really couldn't wait for the unboxing, so I went ahead and started wearing it right away. I really enjoyed it. It is quite comfortable on the wrist, even though it does look like there's a lot of detail, and I love how there is a hidden clasp throughout the bracelet. So on the side there is a hidden clasp that closes the hinge, and then when you lift it up, you can press the little mechanism there to unopen the clasp. So it's obviously very brilliantly designed in my opinion, because I love this seamless closure, and it's very secure on your wrist. So, you know, if you're thinking about, why am I wearing such a price point on my hand, and then what if it falls or drops? It's very unlikely. Because the first 2 times I was wearing it, it was even a little bit challenging for me to find the hidden closure. So it's very seamless, and it's kind of like, if you know, the closure is there kind of thing. So you don't have to worry about that has the potential of opening itself up. But obviously I've only wore it for maybe a week before I filmed this video, so that's as far as my experience with this bangle goes. I'm going to do a follow-up with you guys later down the road, so that I can share more extensively how it wears and everything. This is the unboxing, and I'm hoping that you guys are liking the way I'm styling it. And unfortunately, I think there are a few more pieces that I would eventually like to add to my jewelry collection. So after that, I'm thinking to film a what's in my collection for you guys in the near future. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, it's not too late now. Make sure you click the subscribe button. Join my first luxury to stay up to date with everything of what I'm doing. So thank you for watching today's video. I hope you like the bracelet as well, and I will chat with you guys on the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye.